Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about lenses. So these are the lenses that I bought from Amazon, and these lenses are the universal lenses which you can use for all different smartphones. If you go to Amazon, you can see there are so many lenses, so many choices for you to make, and it's really hard to decide because we don't know which one is right for our smartphones and which ones is usable and great for the smartphone. So in today's video, I'm very excited to show you guys what I ordered. You can also check the link in the description below. This is what I ordered, and as you can see, it's a box, and there are 10 small lenses inside this box. Well, as you can see, there are many lenses in the box, and you also get a cloth which you can use to clean the lens, and there is a manual which you can read and help you to understand the function of each lens. Okay, so let's get a closer look at the lenses inside the box. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the results that I got from these lenses. Okay, as you can see, just take out the cover of the lens and you are ready to go. Okay, so in this video I'm using my V20, the LG V20, and let's see when I clipped this lens with my smartphone. As you can see, it looks great, and it's really fit to the phone that I'm using. Okay, and I'm testing with the fish eyes. So this is the fish eye lens that can capture a very new experience for you. You can enjoy taking great photos to show off your friends. Okay, so this is how to change the lens from one lens to another. Just take it out like this and put it back. Okay, like that. And you are ready to go. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, there are 10 lenses, and I'm going to tell you what is each one used for. So there are 10 lenses. First of all is the CPL. The second one is kaleidoscope lens 3. The third one is kaleidoscope lens 6. And the fourth one is flow filter. Number 5 is 4-line star filter. Number 6 is radial filter. Number 7 is 2x telephoto lens, and number 8 is a 198-degree fisheye lens, and number 9 is the 0.63x wide lens, and last but not least is the micro lens, which is 15x lenses. Okay, so now let's get to know what is each one used for. First of all is the CPL. Well, the CPL lens is used to remove unwanted reflections from non-metallic surfaces such as glass or water to enhance color saturation. For example, to reduce the glare from glacial peaks while providing a rich blue sky, or remove the reflections from the water surface to capture the fish or other objects in the water. Second of all is the kaleidoscope 3. It takes colorful pictures like a kaleidoscope through which the scene seen by the number of overlapping. It captures one object and it's overlapping that object into 3, which is similar to the kaleidoscope's lens 6. It's quite similar to the lens 3, but this time it gives you 6 different angles from one object. So let's move on to the next one, which is the flow filter. For the flow filter, it takes the static object into dynamic effects. No need any image software that you can take a wonderful and creative photo. The next one, which is the 4-line star filter. With this kind of filter, it can change the light in screen into a 4-line star point, create a mood full of romance and childlike, increasing the artistic effect of photos. The next one is the radial filter. It allows you to shoot a radial visual effect, which helps you to easily capture a visual impact photos. The next one is the 2x telephoto lens. Well, with this one is a kind of zoom-in lens, and it tries to capture the object and blur the background. And the next one is a 198 degrees fisheye lens. I think you understand what it means by fisheye lens. The next one is the 0.36 X wide lens. So it just gives you the ability to capture the photo a bit wider than the original camera from your smartphone. Last but not least is the macro 15x lens, which gives you the ability to take a closer pictures or the objects that you want to capture. Okay, so that's all about the 10 lenses and how they are used for. Now let's move on to the results that I got from all of the lenses. Okay, so let's enjoy the video.
We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.